Hello, everyone. So going forward, I'm going to be doing the daily Tsumego a little bit differently. So I'm still going to be posting them on the community tab daily. But the YouTube videos I'm going to start doing once a week. And so I'll have one video where I cover all the problems. And yeah, let's get started. So this one also I think is pretty simple. If you play anything that's not the answer, it's pretty simple that it just gets captured. So it's pretty obvious. This Atari should be played first, and then you play this Atari, and then when you play this one, there's a lack of liberties. So white can't play here because it's just self Atari. So white pretty much has to throw in here, and if they go here, black just captures. So white has to do this one first. So when it goes here, black can't just Tanuki. He has to start the ko. So once again, the answer is a ko. And but yeah, so I'll see you next week.